everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with the layout today. I'm starting out with this floral, that beautiful floral background paper from Echo Park, the Spring Fancy Floral, and then these two photos of my boyfriend and I. I'm going to mount those on that green paper, which is the Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Limeade dot stripe. And this is actually goes all the way back to last spring in May. We have a favorite beer garden, or they're located in several different places, but they opened up a new one in this park, and we decided the weather was actually fairly warm that day. It was the first week of May, which around here in Wisconsin can get a little chilly, but we decided to go hang out there and have a beer, and they had a food truck, so we had some dinner. It was just a nice way after the nasty winter to get into spring. And I just grabbed that banner and managed to break it, but that's okay. It's a sticker. It'll just be fine. So that sticker is from the Echo Park Celebrate Spring Elements stickers. And then I have that. I like that little can of flowers, and it's because it's spring. I'm not doing like what do I want to say? I'm not doing beer stickers on this. I'm really focusing on the fact that it's spring and it feels so good to be back and to enjoy this new location as well. So I'm thinking about maybe that smaller sticker. I like that jar of flowers. No, it's not a can of flowers. I like that jar of flowers, but that small flower there feels a little bit too small. So I'm looking to find something to go up on the top right there. And I was thinking, well, maybe I could have some sort of journaling piece. So that's what I looked at here and found that tag, which is from Echo Park Celebrate Easter, the ephemera from that collection. I'm still playing around because I don't think that flower sticker was big enough. And that the pink flower sticker there comes from the Echo Park Spring Element stickers, and then those two smaller ones are back again from that Echo Park Celebrate Spring collection, the element stickers from that. So can use both. That tag that there was not punched out, the center of that tag was not punched out, so I decided just to do that. It makes it look a little bit more realistic. I mean, it is a tag, it just wasn't punched out, it was printed. So I'll do that every so often when that happens. And then I can add in some, twine and that kind of stuff. All right. So then I'm going to use this alphabet, and I don't think I've used it at all, or if I did, I barely did. It was something that came as a freebie. Scrapbook.com, when you order, usually will have a freebie if you hit a certain amount, and that's what this is. I think I have a green one, a pink one, and a yellow one of these sticker alphas. So Scrapbook.com is where this came from. So be aware of that when you order from them. And I have a fairly long title here, so I like the fact that these stickers are narrow. That's a nice thing in this particular case. So I'm going to call this It's Opening Day, which makes me feel like baseball, but this is a thing we love to do. Although I will tell you, it's I think they're closing in just a couple of weeks. As I'm doing this voiceover, it's the end of October, that they'll be done in a week or two, and it makes me sad because we love this spot to go. But here it felt like, oh, here we are. We're back into spring and then summer. And it was fun. We were I was taking pictures of the lake that this is on, and a woman that we didn't know came by, and she said, "Do you want me to take a picture of the two of you?" And I said, "Sure." So we did, except it was very windy and my hair was blowing up, so I had to do quite a bit of editing around my hair because I had like this crazy thing blowing up. So sometimes photo editing software is a good thing, that when you can do that. But that was very sweet of her to take the photo. And you see my very dark beer there. Those are one of my favorites. I always tell people I like to chew on the barrel of my wine, and I like to chew on my beer. So, all right. So now I have that title down, and I'm brayering this to help it stick down even better as I'm voicing this over. I made this a while ago, and that A and day is wanting to pull up on me, so I'll have to brayer that back down again. All right, so this twine is from Hobby Lobby in that big collection of twine that I talk about all the time that they have. They have a package with like 12 different colors in it or something like that. They're very economical. And then I'm thinking about some enamel dots just to, that background paper is very busy. So I don't need or want to do a lot of this, but I'm adding in some enamel dots from the Cherry Blossom collection from Altenew. And by the way, did you notice that that border sticker is the second border sticker that I've used in the past couple of weeks? I was so proud of myself. I think I did these within a week or two of each other when I actually created them. But I was getting sassy. I was actually using, I said border sticker. I meant banner sticker. So I was getting sassy and using banners, which are kryptonite for me. So I like kryptonite being something that I don't use very often. All right, just adding some more of these in. Those enamel dots help, the texture helps you see that banner sticker a little bit easier. But there it is. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and the detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.